Everyone, welcome. This is the fiber laser machine, our model CIMF 3015A. It's a fully enclosed machine, as you can see. This machine comes with a nice 27-inch screen to do work much easier for the operator. It comes also with a foldable station for the keyboard and the mouse. It comes with a standard remote control. And this machine also has a nice feature, which is an interchangeable table, so you can be loading on the back. The operator can be loading when the machine is working, and having loading and unloading, having everything ready for the next job. So this is done very simply by a click of a button, and automatically the table is going to go all the way to the back. So let's walk to the back and show you. You can see the cable's coming down here. This makes it so much easier for the operator to work and unloading the material. It's already being cut and loading the new material and be ready for the next operation when the machine is finishing out with the machine. That saves a lot of time. The machine comes with a cooling unit and the power unit over there that we can set up all the way from 1,000 to 6,000 watts. This is going to allow you to cut up to 25 millimeters or 1 inch of carbon steel and about 8 millimeters or 5/16 on non-ferrous material. This will be aluminum, stainless steel, copper, etc. So the machine comes in a 5x10 configuration. It can also be made custom made if you have a special size that you need, a smaller or larger. And it comes with a 25,000 watt extractor system for all the smoke to come up. So this is basically the machine. So give us a call if you need any more information, and we are going to be more happy to help you.